Boosting the sound from your phone doesn't always require high-tech gadgets or expensive speakers. Sometimes, the simplest solutions can be the most effective and the most fun. Imagine taking everyday items, like a paper cup, and transforming them into a quirky, functional phone amplifier. Not only does this DIY project cost next to nothing, but it also brings out your creative side and is sure to impress your friends with its cleverness. Let's start with the basics. Why does a paper cup amplify sound in the first place? When your phone's speakers play music or a podcast, the sound waves spread out in all directions. Often, much of that sound is lost into the open air, making it harder to hear, especially in a noisy environment. A paper cup acts as a simple acoustic chamber, redirecting and focusing those sound waves. The cup's curved shape collects the sound and projects it forward, making your tunes noticeably louder. No batteries or wires required. To make your own phone amplifier, gather a few supplies: a sturdy paper cup, a pen or pencil, and a pair of scissors. Some people like to get creative and decorate their cup with markers, stickers, or even paint. But that step is entirely up to you. Begin by holding your phone next to the paper cup. Take a look at the bottom of the cup and mark a spot that lines up with the phone's speaker. Most smartphones have their speakers along the bottom edge, so you'll want the opening you cut to be just big enough for your phone to slide in, but not so wide that it wobbles or tips over. Using your scissors, carefully cut a slot or hole in the side or base of the cup. Smooth out any rough edges so you don't scratch your phone. Once the slot is ready, slide your phone in, making sure the speaker is inside the cup and facing down toward the base. Now, play your favorite song or podcast. Instantly, you'll hear a difference. The sound is fuller, richer, and noticeably louder. The cup acts like a miniature megaphone, channeling the audio toward you. Want to take your amplifier to the next level? Try using 2 paper cups, connected by a cardboard tube, like the kind you find inside a roll of paper towels. Cut a hole in each cup, insert the ends of the tube, and secure them with tape. Then, cut a slot for your phone along the tube, right in the middle. Slide in your phone, and you've created a stereo-style amplifier that spreads sound from both ends. It's a fun experiment and makes for a great conversation starter. This simple hack isn't just about boosting volume, it's also a reminder that you don't always need fancy equipment to solve everyday problems. With a little ingenuity, you can repurpose common items and give them new life. Plus, this project is perfect for kids, students, or anyone looking for a quick hands-on activity. So next time you're at a picnic, a small gathering, or just relaxing at home, and you wish your phone was a little louder, remember the humble paper cup. In just a few minutes, you can boost your sound, spark some smiles, and maybe even go viral with your clever creation. No electronics required, just a bit of DIY spirit and a willingness to have fun.